Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make honey candy. First, combine 1 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir these ingredients gently over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. This initial step is crucial for a smooth candy base. Ensure your candy thermometer is ready for the next stage. Continue to cook the mixture without stirring once it begins to boil. Monitor the temperature carefully with your candy thermometer. You'll want to reach the hard crack stage, which is exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature ensures your candy will be firm and brittle. Be patient, as this stage can take a little time to achieve. Once the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the hot liquid onto your prepared, greased baking sheet. Let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until it's cool enough to handle but still pliable. You can then use greased kitchen shears or a knife to cut the candy into small, bite-sized pieces. To prevent your delicious honey candies from sticking together, dust them lightly with powdered sugar. For optimal freshness and to keep them from melting, wrap each individual piece in a small square of wax paper. Store your finished honey candies in an airtight container at room temperature. They make a wonderful treat or a thoughtful homemade gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.